Hi there, everyone. This is Adam at the National Weather Service in San Diego, here with your weekly weather outlook here. And so, what are we looking at for this week as we depart May and go into June? Well, we'll be seeing a warming trend over the next few days this week, and that'll kind of mean less May gray and June gloom for those of you toward the coast out there. But that also means as we raise those temperatures up, we'll be seeing some lower relative humidity values, elevated fire weather risk as well over the next few days this week. And then by the end of the week, we're kind of getting more back into a troughing pattern. And so we'll be seeing more of that June gloom nights and mornings for areas west of the mountains. And then as well as we'll be seeing windy conditions return to the mountains and deserts. So let's take a look here, middle of the week. Wednesday into Thursday, that's when we'll see the peak of the heat for most areas. Here's Thursday, as you can see, plenty of 80s for much of the San Diego valleys into parts of inland Orange County. And then we'll be getting up into the lower 90s for parts of the Inland Empire and into the high desert, 93 in Victorville. And of course, the hot spot in our lower deserts as we get into Thursday, 106 for Palm Springs and 107 for Borrego Springs. So warming up out there as well. And as I mentioned before, that fire weather risk will kind of remain elevated over the next couple of days into the middle of the week. The driest day will be on Wednesday, so as you can see, really areas away from the coast will be quite dry, getting down into the teens for parts of the Inland Empire, and then those desert slopes especially getting near 10% and even lower in some areas. So just be careful with fire weather concerns. And of course, it wouldn't be a party without the wind, right? So those winds will kind of take a break for kind of into the middle of the week. But then as we get toward Thursday and into the weekend, we're going to see more areas of west winds gusting across the mountains and into the deserts. Mainly gusts 30 to 40 miles an hour. Still, uncertainty remains on exact wind speeds and timing, but the windiest part of this system looks to be by next weekend, Saturday into Sunday. So that'll be kind of the timing with that. And then, of course, use caution while traveling. We've definitely seen blowing dust, blowing sand, and everything when it gets windy out there. So make sure to stay safe. And that's about it for me here. So follow us for the latest on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And you can always go to our website, weather.gov/San Diego, for the latest weather updates. Thanks, and have a great week.